If you're wondering which is more effective for grammar checking, Grammarly or LanguageTool, you're in the right place. Both of these tools are popular, but one might suit your needs better. I've tested both, and I'll share my honest thoughts to help you decide which tool is the better choice. First off, let's start with the basics. Grammarly is widely known as a premium grammar checker that goes beyond just catching grammar mistakes. It also checks for style issues, tone, and even plagiarism. On the other hand, LanguageTool is an open source tool that's designed for grammar, spelling, and punctuation. But how do these stack up when it comes to actual effectiveness? The first thing you need to know is the accuracy of grammar checks. Grammarly does a great job catching common mistakes and offering suggestions, but sometimes it misses nuances in more complex sentences. It excels in everyday writing and is particularly strong at detecting passive voice and suggesting alternatives. However, it tends to oversuggest in some cases, which can be annoying. Next thing, LanguageTool has a solid reputation for catching errors, and it's pretty reliable with grammar and punctuation. It's especially good with more complex sentences that might confuse Grammarly. The downside is that its interface isn't as polished as Grammarly's, and it may not always offer suggestions that feel as helpful. Moving on, let's talk about integration. Grammarly integrates seamlessly with browsers, Microsoft Office, Google Docs, and other platforms. The real standout here is Grammarly's premium version, which unlocks advanced suggestions. But here's the catch, it's paid. If you're on a budget or only need basic features, the free version of Grammarly is solid, but it's not quite as comprehensive as the premium one. LanguageTool, on the other hand, also offers browser extensions and integrations, but its free version supports only limited checks. The paid version unlocks more features, though it's still more affordable than Grammarly's premium option. The fourth thing to consider is language support. Grammarly supports only English, which might be a deal breaker if you need grammar checks in other languages. LanguageTool shines here, offering support for over 20 languages, including Spanish, French, and German. So, if you're writing in multiple languages, LanguageTool could be the better choice. Now, let's talk pricing. Grammarly's premium version can be quite costly, especially if you opt for the annual plan. The monthly subscription can add up over time. LanguageTool, however, is much more affordable, and its free version already does a decent job for basic grammar checking. For a more comprehensive experience, LanguageTool's paid version is a great value. So, which one is more effective overall? Both tools have their strengths, but if you're primarily focused on catching errors and improving writing clarity, Grammarly might be the better fit, especially if you're using it for professional content. However, if you're multilingual, on a budget, or just need a tool that's more customizable, LanguageTool is a great choice. But here's the thing, while both Grammarly and LanguageTool are good, they aren't perfect. After trying both of these tools extensively, I found a better alternative for people who want the best of both worlds without the downsides. If you want to get the most effective grammar checking for your needs, take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description below. You'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, and I'm confident it will be a better fit for your writing goals. So, make sure you click the link and give it a try. Better results are just a click away.